Hello everyone, in front of me is Honor Power, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So at first, find and select settings. Now go to Biometrics and Passwords and mark Fingerprint ID. At first you need to provide your passcode if you have one, and if you don't have one yet, you will have to create it. It's kind of backup to your fingerprint. Now mark Unlock Device, and it's time to enroll your fingerprint. Just mark Add. As you can see, the sensor is located on your home screen, so just keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. As you can see, it has been done. Mark OK, and from now on you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.